Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing Windows 11 and getting Start All Back installed. First, make sure you have the latest Windows updates and that your build is supported. This avoids compatibility issues. Once done, download the Start All Back installer and run it as administrator so it can modify system shell components. During setup, choose the classic taskbar style and the Windows 10 Start menu option. These selections are the foundation for restoring the older interface. Once Start All Back is installed, open its settings to configure behaviors. You will select the Windows 10 taskbar layout, then customize icon size, alignment, and system tray items so they mimic the original feel. Make sure to enable the Start menu layout that uses pinned apps and classic search behavior. This restores jump lists and right-click context consistency. As you tweak each option, test the taskbar responsiveness and open the Start menu to confirm the visual and interaction changes are applied. Finish by applying your chosen settings and rebooting so shell changes commit cleanly. This step prevents transient glitches. After restart, verify pinned apps, system tray, and Start search work as expected. If something looks off, reset Start All Back's theme or reapply the Windows 10 layout. That usually fixes style mismatches. If issues persist, make sure no other UI modifying utilities are running. Temporarily disable them. Then reapply Start All Back. This clears conflicts and returns the classic experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.